Hello students of grade 10. Today we'll do chapter 14.1. Chapter 14.1 statistic. Chapter 14.1 is based on mean, and to find the mean we have three method. The first one is direct method. For direct method we have to use this formula: mean equal to summation of fi xi by summation fi. Second method is assume mean method. Mean equal to a plus summation fi di by summation fi. And step division method, this is the formula. These three formula you have to know. So I'll take one question and I'll find the mean by all the three methods, and you'll find that answer is same in all the situation, only the methods are different. So let's do this question. We're going to find the mean of this table. Okay, they have given class number 10 to 25, 25 to 40, 40 to 55, and the frequency is given this. So what we have to do is, first we have to write the table and find the class mark. Class mark is the mid value of this. How will you find the mid value? We add both 10 plus 25 and divide by 2. This is 35 by 2. We'll get 17.5. So this is 17.5. Now here the class size is 15. So you can keep on adding 15. Since the class size is 15, you can add 15. You'll get 32.5. You don't have to add and divide again. Otherwise, you can add and divide. You'll get this one. You can add and divide. You'll get this one. Or you can just keep adding 15, 15 all the time, because the class size is 15. So it will be 47.5. This will be 62.5. This will be 77.5. This will be 92.5. So we're adding and dividing by 2, and we're getting this. Okay, like, or you can add the first one and divide by 2 and see the class size and keep on adding. The class size, the difference is 15. So after getting the same number, I just add 15. I'm getting 32.5. I'm adding 15. I'm getting 47.5. I'm adding 15. I'm getting 62.5. Now frequency, number of student, fi is the frequency. It's given here, 237,666. So 237,666. So we have to find the total of this. The total of the frequency is called summation fi. Now if you add this 18, 19, 20, you are getting 30. Now fi xi means I'll multiply these two. If I multiply this, I'm getting 35.0. If I multiply this two, I'm getting 97.5. I have to multiply fi and xi. Okay, now 7 into 47.5 is 332.5. Multiply these two, 375.5. Multiply these two, 465.0. Multiply these two, 555.0. Now total of this is called summation fi xi. Now you have to add everything. You'll get this is 0. Okay, if you add everything, you'll get 1860.0. 0.0, no need to write it. If you don't write also, it's fine. The total is 1860. So what was the formula of that direct method? We have to divide summation fi xi by summation fi. Direct method. So in the direct method, there is no such problem. The direct method, So in the direct method, what's the formula? Mean equal to summation fi xi by summation fi. So summation fi xi means the total of the product is 1860 divided by summation fi is 30. Cancel it. 362. So answer is 62. So this we have done in direct method. Now same question we'll do in for using assuming method. Okay, second method. For assuming, this is the formula a, can't see it properly, a and summation fi di by summation fi. So I will explain each part of this, what is di fi also. Okay, it's very difficult to make lines, so I'm doing in the rule copy. Class mark, as we have done, we have to add and divide by 2, so 17.5, 32.5, 47.5, 62.5, 77.5, 92.5. This was the class mark. Oh sorry, this is for, I'm supposed to teach this one. Okay, assuming method, second method. Class interval is given and class mark we have already found out. We have to add and divide by 2. I'm doing the same question to make you understand the usage of the formula. Okay, so mid value I found. Now what is di? Di means you have to assume one as a mean. Okay, we don't know which one we have to take. You can select one of the value as a mean. So I'm selecting this one as a mean. See, middle ones somewhere in the middle, but there are 6 numbers, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So these two are middle. You can select any one as, so I'm selecting this one as a. Okay, this will be your a, so we can write a equal to 47.5. The selected mean is called a. Okay, this is your a. Now di means xi minus a. That means every time you'll subtract this 47.5. So 17 minus 47.5 is minus 30. 32 minus 47.5 is minus 15. 47.5 minus 47.5 is 0. This minus this is 15. We have to subtract every time this one. Okay, 77 minus 0.5 minus 47.5 is 30. 92.5 minus 47.5 is 45. Now this value is frequency is already given in the question. Now we'll find the product of these two. Fi di, I'm not using xi. We have to find the product of these two. So 30 into 2 is minus 60. 15 into 3 is minus 45. 0 into 7 is 0. 615 is 90. 630 is 180. 645 is 270. Let me explain this one again. From this class mark, we'll assume one of the middle term as a mean. So I'm taking this one as mean. So to find the d, the formula is xi minus a. That means you'll subtract always 47.5 from each term. That means 17.5 minus 47.5, 32.5 minus, like that, 17.5 minus 47.5, and get the answer. Next is 32.5 minus 47.5, get the answer. Minus 15 minus 30. Keep on subtracting 47.5 all the time. Okay, now total of this is 30, as we have done in the direct mean also. Now how to find the total of this? We have negative number also, positive number also. This is negative 105. This if I add, I'll get 270 plus 90 is 360. 360, 540. Now subtract these two. 540 minus 105 is 435. We're adding all the positive number, we're subtracting, adding all the negative number and subtracting these two, and we're getting 435. Now what's the formula for finding the mean using assume mean method? Formula is A plus summation fi di by summation fi. This is the formula, okay? So what is your A? A is the assume, the one which one you have circled, assume mean, okay? A is this one. So you can write 47.5 plus what is fi di? We got 435. So 435 by what is fi? Fi is 30. So we can cancel by 3. 3 10 times. 3 1 time is 3. 13. 3 4 is 12. 3 5 is 15. So we're getting 47.5 plus 145 by 10. For 10 we can put one decimal, we can write 14.5. Now you add this. We are getting 62.0. It means we are getting 62. So when you use assume mean method also we are getting 62. So only the formula is different, okay? Now let us do step division method, okay? The formula is A plus summation fi u by ui by summation fi into h. So let us do assume mean. We found the mid value, and I will write frequency also. Frequency is given as 2, 3, 7, 6, 6, 6. This is given, and the total is 30. Now formula for ui. Ui is, how to find ui? Xi minus a by h. Okay, A will select this one. You can select this one also, no problem. Okay, answer will be same. So I'm selecting this one. So I'm writing A equal to 47.5. Now what is h? H means the class size. H means the class size. Okay, so class size, if you see, the class size is 15. 85 to 115 difference, 70 to 85. So h is class size. Now in step division, instead of calculating this, if you calculate also you get the same thing, okay? Which one is selected, you can take 0. If you go up, -1, and if you go down, +1, +2, like that. So if you go up, -1, if you calculate also you'll get this only, and -2. If you come down, it will be 1, 2, 3. Let's do with one number and see whether it's correct or not. Xi minus a means 17.5 minus 47.5. A is 47.5 divided by h. H means 15. So we're getting minus 30 by 15. If you cancel, I get -2. See, if you do this minus this divided by h, again you'll get -1. So in step division, you don't have to calculate which one is selected, which one you're selecting. You just take 0, and if you go up, you go -1, -2. If you come down, you go +1, 2, 3. In step division, simple, okay? Now we'll find the product of these two. This is -4. These two is -3. FIUI, okay? 0 into 7 is 0. 1 into 6 is 6. 2 into 6 is 12. 3 into 6 is 18. So negative number you edit -7. Positive number also you edit 36. Subtract it, you'll get 29. Okay, if you solve this to 29. Now what's the formula of step division? We'll write this formula. A plus summation FIUI mean equal to A plus summation FIUI by summation FI into H. Put the value A is 47.5 plus FIUI is 29. We got 29. This one. Total of F is 30. H is the class size 15. So we can cancel this 5 or 3 5 3 10. I'm keeping 10 so that division is quick. 47.5. If you multiply this, 5 9 is 45. 5 2 is 10. 145 by 10. So for 10 we can put decimal. 47.5 plus 14.5. Now add it, you'll get 62. Again, we're getting the same answer. So for finding the mean, we have learned 3 methods today. You can use any method. Okay, you can use step division also. You can use assume mean method also. You can use direct method also. It's up to you. Clear? So pause the video and write all the solution. Thank you.